Alright, so the birds, and bad news is over there, we got dogs over there, her and her, or him. Anyways, one of our birds, the Silky Mix, they ended up catching our dog Max in the act of trying to eat her, I guess. But it was too late because she was alive, but her spine was broken. And she could. I was planning to assist her every single day, so she could eat and drink, but she ended up dying in the middle of the night. More bad news is that she's not there. She's dead, everyone. She actually ate a slug. Later on, she passed away later on. I found her when we were talking about the bird Peaches. If she was going to survive or not. I found her. I don't know why her egg was scattered, but it was and it accidentally broke when it was a little egg. It was the silky egg. I also put duck eggs in here too. More duck eggs. A lot more duck eggs. Yeah, I don't know why they're... Yeah. My mom's trying to get an incubator so the eggs could survive, but the only reason they're still alive is because every night one of the birds sit on the eggs. So, yeah. But that was bad news. Also, by the way, updates before that. There's this guy, Colette, the rooster, come on now. Don't think I mentioned that already. Anyways, and where's Popcorn? She's... Oh yeah. Other news is one of our ducks here. There's DJ. Hey DJ. Muscovies. But where is she? I don't know. I'm trying to find her. I'll just make a short about it when I do find her. Anyways, yeah, it's not been going so well. Let me see if she's over here though. Let's see. Oh, it's not even over here. Alright. No. Actually, you know, basically, she called Tigress. She's a beautiful duckling. We thought she was a hen. Because, you know, our Drake named Zach, he was grinding off her. So, it was actually a certain dominance because we saw him, well, not him, grinding off her mate, Chandler, or what is now Chandler at Chevron. But yeah, that's all for the news updates, and yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading, because these are when the deaths happen.